Hi everyone, this is Ms.Tech and you're watching Ed.Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Classroom. First, take a deep breath because you got this. I'm going to help make education technology fun and easy to implement in your classroom. So this is Google Classroom Level 1. Let's begin. So the first step is to open Google. The next step is to come to this little waffle, click on it, and find Google Classroom, and click on that. If you don't see it up here, you might have to scroll down, but you'll find it. Now, once Google Classroom opens up, it might look like this. You might have joined Google Classrooms from years before. Either way, to start a new class, you press this plus button. Go ahead and click on it, and click Create Class. You're going to agree to the terms, read it through if you want, and continue. Now, this is where you could put the name of your class. You could put 5th grade or my math class. I'm going to go ahead and put Google Classroom. And you could put a section if you teach high school, period 1. I'm going to go ahead and put level 1. You could go in more detail putting a subject, your room number. For now, this is good for me, so I'm going to press Create. It will take a couple seconds to create your classroom. It's thinking, just give it some time. Now, once your Google Classroom is created, it's going to take you to this page. I want to go over the basics. So here is this little 3 bars in the left-hand corner is your menu. This is where you can switch to your calendar, to your settings, or to other classrooms you have in here. If you ever want to get out of menu, just click on open space and it goes away. Now, at the top, you have the stream, classwork, people, and grades. These little tabs up here, for example, if I click on classwork, this is where you're going to create all your assignments, post material. So here you can press create to make a new assignment. Assignment. And I'm going to title this level 1. And I'm going to say, please follow directions. Whatever you're going to be telling them what to do, you can put it there. You can also add stuff from your Google Drive, a link, or a file on your computer, a PDF. Okay. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to go to my Drive, if you have things in your Drive. And it will open this box up, and you can click from your recent or my Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and this one actually, and insert. And now I actually pressed 2 documents, so I'm going to get rid of this one. You can press students can view file, they can edit file, and they can make a copy. So we're not going to get into that right now, but what I want to show you is over here. Over here is where you can put ungraded or level points and a due date. This is an awesome feature. So I'm going to click for Friday at 5 p.m. and click on the open space, and I want to make a topic. And I'm going to make this the level 1 topic. Or for example, if this was a math assignment, I'm going to title it math. And you could press assign to put it up, or you can press schedule. So I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow morning. And now the students will be able to see it till tomorrow morning. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to add students and look at more features that Google Classroom has to offer. But that was how to set up a Google Classroom. Thank you for watching, and like it if you enjoyed it. Bye!